Hey guys, it's your girl Shanice and welcome to day 1 of Vlogmas. We're kicking it off. We made it to day 1. Yeah, we made it to day 1, guys. Listen, I had second thoughts about this entire Vlogmas series, but by the grace of God, we're here today and we're kicking it off. So if you're just joining in, welcome. Ensure you subscribe before we go along with today's festivities. So let me just grab our to-do list for the day. So today I want to do a little bit of shopping. You know, I want to get the place ready for Christmas. Our Christmas tree is not up as yet. We have nothing in the house that says holiday cheer, and I mean, I don't like that for us. So we're going to Azan's Super Center first thing to get some ornaments, Christmas decorations, some ribbons, stuff like that. I don't plan on putting up the Christmas tree today, but I want to have everything ready for when I do plan to put it up. So yeah, that's what we're gonna get. We're also gonna get some household items, like some kitchen stuff, things that are needed around the house that I didn't get a chance to pick up prior, so we're gonna get that today. Also, I need a SIM from Digicel, so hopefully I can find a Digicel store on the way, pick up a SIM for this phone, because that phone has a SIM but this one does not, and I really want to use this one more because I'm trying to use this one for just vlogging only, especially during Vlogmas. I have some packages at my shipping company, but I don't know if I'll get to that. But most importantly, guys, I am hungry, so I want to get some breakfast. Like, I am starving, and I did grab a quick bite before I left out this morning, so I don't know what's wrong with me. So the boys are off and let's just get to shopping. So come along with me for the vlog day festivities and let's go. Okay guys, so I'm in Azan's finally, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm overwhelmed by all of these decorations. Hello, morning. I don't know what to choose. I'm so confused. All that side. Alright, I'm gonna walk down here and come back. I'm gonna go over there first. What you recommend? Where do you think I should stop first? We need household stuff too. Alright, so the pro is giving me some tips. Thank you so much, ladies.
Decoration.
And then you go down. Alright, perfect. Thank you, ladies. You too. Let's see how fast I can get out of this place, because I don't plan to stay all day. Look at this. How cute is this? I'm gonna get 2 for the boys. I'm getting a Santa. Well, one is a Santa, one is a snowman. It's so cute. So I definitely need a rider. So these are cute. These not so much, but I'm willing to work with it. I'm also seeing these little thingies. I guess you can stick on the tree. But this is cute. I think I need professional help. Like, I don't know. Who do we hire to get professional help? You can't help me out? Alright, good morning, by the way. May I have your name, please? Nettie. Would you mind being on the camera, Nettie? You're camera shy too? She's camera shy. Alright, guys, I met Nettie, and Nettie's gonna help me out today because I'm confused. So my theme is red. I want a hint of green. I want a lot of greenery as well. So I'm going the traditional this year. Traditional. Yeah, the red. Not a blue and a baga. So far I have balls. What else do you think I can use to, like sorry. That's alright. What else do you think I can use to zhuzh up the tree? So lead the way. Okay, she's taking me on the outside, guys. Believe me, trolley all the way around there, so you know, but it's fine. Alright. Oh guys, I'm overwhelmed. Look at all of these bells and whistles. Yes, dark green. So, some of these. Okay. This is the ornament section. Not bad. More over here. These are cute. How about the flowers? Alright, so I'm getting these little balls. So cute. So cute. So look at me come late. Everybody buy up all the ribbons. Really? So we got flowers. These are cute. Maybe next year I'll go for some color. Alright, so okay guys, I'm done with my little Christmas decor shopping. How cute is this little Santa with the snowy thing? I feel like I'd get this if it wasn't so pricey, but it's so cute. Look at it. So yeah, it's lovely. Yeah, no, just the price, but the concept's lovely. Yeah, you see it. Alright, so guys, I'm getting a new subscriber. We got Nettie. So it's SHA. But YouTube. You watch YouTube vids though? Do you? I do mainly like vlogs and mom content. No. Vlogs, fashion, everyday. So it's Shanice Jodian. So SHANICE Thank you. Take care.
No, because I'm gonna tell you.
Okay.
I'm not gonna remember you.
All right, no problem.
So let me just, support.
Okay, so I am basically done. I'm basically done with my Christmas shopping. People looking at me weird, guys. And I'm going to the toy aisle. I probably shouldn't be in the toy aisle, but I'm gonna sneak a little peek and see what's going on over there. But yeah guys, I'm just gonna grab a few more stuff and then I'll head out. If anything, I'll show you what I purchased when I get home. And I've been here for like an hour already and I'm tired. So yeah, that's about it. And I'll catch you when I'm checking out. Guys, I am just out of Azan's and listen, I came here what 9:30, it is now 11:30. I've been in there for 2 whole hours. Like I knew it. I knew that I could not just jump in and jump out because I was so overwhelmed. They had so many different decorations, like my head was just spinning. At one point I had to ask for assistance, but guys, it was a good shopping experience. I got most of what I wanted. The only thing I didn't get were the ribbons. What else? Something else up on my list we never get, but I think I'm going to try and go Bashko to get the ribbons. All of the ribbons sold out. Nothing in there, no ribbon, nothing. I did want to do some little cute bows and tie on the tree, so I'm still hopeful that I can find ribbons today. I'm also hungry. I have a slight headache whenever I don't eat or whenever I take too long to eat. The headache just come on and I don't know why I'm not learning. I met so many great people in there, guys, like literally people who just saw me vlogging and they were encouraging me, and I asked them to subscribe to my channel because closed mouths don't get fed. So I asked like 3 or 4 people to subscribe. Hopefully they do, fingers crossed. I saw 1 subscriber, the others had to like take it down because they didn't have any data and stuff like that. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make this a goal to get at least 3 subscribers on a daily basis and see how well I can grow my channel. But yeah, Azan's, you were great. On to the next, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna try to get something to eat. So guys, so let us get out of this place. I don't even know where to go. So guys, I am in Mother's because what should I break out the glass? Anyways, I'm in Mother's trying to get some lunch. I hope they have soup because I'm feeling for soup. And probably a patty. Probably a patty, but I remember people laugh over me. So yeah guys, the cashier is laughing at me. But yeah, I feel for some soup and probably 2 patties. They don't sell the chili chicken at this location, so I'm not going to try to get that elsewhere. But yeah, starving. So yeah. I want to know the sweet chili at this location. The sweet chili chicken is coming soon. Hooray, you hear that guys? Sweet chili is coming up. Yeah, love it, love it. My bag before me leaving, 4 patties and a cup of soup. Guys, I'm back. Oh my god. So I ended up going to Mother's after all. And I got myself some soup. It's chicken soup. They had red peas, but I'm not a red pea soup kind of girl. Not at all. And funny enough, I was talking to them in Mother's, and I was asking them about the sweet chili chicken, because as I said, it's an express Mother's. What is not open? It's an express location, so they don't sell everything. They only have patties and like soup and thing. And they said that chicken is coming soon, so I guess the demand is there. So yeah, they're gonna bring it for the first time. So this is the soup, guys. It looks rich. Let's put it to the test and see. And it's funny how I always say I hate mukbangs or I hate coming on camera and eating, but look at me now. The growth. It's actually very good. It's actually very nice. It's good, guys. Forgot to tell them to put no bag of dumpling and them thing. I can't really eat them something in a soup. I prefer just the soup and the meat. As I said, my head is just throbbing right now. I know why, but I think I have like chronic headaches. I suffer from chronic headaches. Hopefully it's not anything serious. Dear Lord, if it's anything, please to ban it up and send it back to the sender. Okay? It's just migraines. Because I mean, to be honest guys, I hear people complain about headaches all the time. And sometimes it turns out to be, you know, way worse than just headaches. Or it's an underlying cause or underlying sign or symptom. You can't see headaches, so it have to be a symptom, yeah. It's an underlying symptom of a illness that's, you know, probably undetected or whatever the case may be. I'm just hope I might look headache them when I get when I eat. So I think the soup. No sir, just my luck. It's pepper seeds. Oh my god. Who said for me? Imagine I swallow about 10 pepper seeds, you know, guys. No sir, somebody said for me. Them ears so I go Mother's too much. I literally made a video the other day about Mother's sweet chili chicken, and you guys loved it. I didn't even know that so many people were a fan of Mother's, especially because KFC has like barbecue, and barbecue is my favorite KFC. But I'm not telling them, Mother's, I give them a look around for them money, I swear. Imagine buying a 3-piece chicken meal and getting 1 piece free. So it's Friday and I headed to Mother's to try out their sweet chili chicken that everyone has been raving about. And I was shocked when the cashier told me that I'd be getting an extra piece of chicken free. My happy like penny pound weekend. So of course I couldn't wait until I got home to try this, because just look at how juicy the chicken is. And can you believe I got a large fries and a large cup of soda as well for only $1,590? No man, this too good to be true. Let's try the chili chicken and see what the rave is all about. 10 out of 10. The sweet chili chicken, chef's kiss. It was so flavorful. The fries were hot and crispy, and I washed it down with some mango peach, and my day was made. And at this point I am late to picking up the boys from school, but this weekend Mother's come first. But yeah guys, the day is going good so far. I think I can do this every day, vlog every day. I don't know. I'm trying to be as interactive as possible, because even a while ago I was in the store and I stopped filming and we're discussing something with the cashier and she said, yo, and that I should have filmed, and that I should have filmed. I'm like, I just don't want to overdo it. But as time goes along, you know, I'm warming up to being a little bit more social, and that kind of helps me with vlogging, you know, because when people interact with me, I don't feel as awkward, and then I won't want to like put away the camera and be like, oh shoot, nah, let's not do this. So thank you guys. Alright, what time? It's now 12:06. I don't want to go back home just yet. I want to go and pick up the boys, but I have 2 more things to do. I'm gonna head to Digicel when I'm done. It's right across the road actually at Tropical Plaza. Hopefully I can spend like 15 to 20 minutes there. Then I'm gonna head to Bashko, 20 to 15 minutes there again, and then see if I can go pick up the boy. So yeah guys, I'm gonna enjoy this soup and I'll get back to you. So guys, I'm on Tropical Plaza now, and I'm not telling you, the place dead. I guess because I'm out here another day, but I'm not seeing any decoration, any Christmas tree, but I am seeing some lights. So maybe it's because I am early. Maybe if I came here in the night, then I would see. So yeah, change of plans. I'm heading to Woolworths instead to see if I can find like the ribbons and stuff. So come along with me. So I found the plain garland that I was looking for. It's $1,400, not bad at all. Love it, love it. So I'm gonna get this. Ooh, these are also very nice. These are already decorated. I think I want to add my own little touch to it. So we're on pickup duty today. Javis, can you stop that? Apparently they're staring into our souls when they do that. I don't even think the camera is speaking. Javi, I want you to introduce yourself because this is my YouTube channel and they don't know you yet.
My name is Javi Lou.
And how old are you?
6.
What do you like to do for fun? Christmas, what me say?
Oh,
Christmas, what me say?
No, what I do for fun? Oh,
like he plays football. What else?
I play game for fun.
He plays video games, football, all of them something there. They also have their own Instagram page. Tell her what Instagram page is. You know Instagram? It's Javi _ Jamir G on Instagram. Tell them to go and follow and support your content. Tell them.
What?
Tell them to go follow and support your content.
Go and follow and support our content.
I don't even know if they can see Javi. Come down a little bit closer.
Okay.
And tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Like and subscribe.
Stop staring to the people themselves. Alright, let's go and get your brother.
Tearing your soul.
Let's go and get your brother, please. Let's go. Jamir, let go of your brother, please.
Not squeeze my head.
Don't do that. That's very naughty. Alright, so we're home.
Yay.
Finally home. Get your stuff.
You think he's gonna pop my head?
Yeah, you wanna pop your brother's head? You got your boys' patties, your face.
Yeah, and sometimes I see somebody pop somebody's head.
And that's very naughty. Alright, get your stuff. Javi, we have to go make a second trip, my love, because the amount of things in this car. And the car needs to be cleaned again. Like, I literally cleaned the car over the weekend and it needs to be cleaned again.
Weekend? What the weekend?
Weekend is Saturday and Sunday, my love. The days you don't go to school, that's what's considered the weekend.
Mom, I already opened. Mommy?
I can't see it. Where are you? Come.
I did kiss my mother, so I did kiss my mother. So I'm beautiful. That one chopped it, and then more beautiful than I think I said a while ago.
What? I'm more beautiful than a chopstick. Young man, where you gone?
I'm more beautiful than some.
Come here, my love. Come, take a bag. Come take a bag. Look.
Look.
Come on.
Going to read. I'm going to read.
Take a bag, please. Which one you want? Blue?
I'm going to take a blue because I like blue. Oh, I like that one because it has a bunch of...
Don't take anything out of the bag, my love.
Okay. You bought more popsicle?
Popsicle? Huh?
No, the thing and you make juice and you freeze it.
Yeah.
How much even Christmas tree?
But we have a Christmas tree, don't we? So many things I could.
This. Let me do it.
So guys, it's actually hours later.
Yep.
Just took a bath.
And that was, it's very true. Whatever I say.
That's very true. I wouldn't come and lie, right? Listen, these flies are getting out of hand, so I'm gonna do a little unboxing so you guys can see what I got from
See, this was our ball, but I don't.
Azans. So that's a bunch of balls actually.
Yeah, and I got some
Wrapping paper.
Yeah, and some of this, so I'm gonna smack you guys it. I wanted to.
Is this your unboxing or my unboxing? So I got a pack of, I don't know how many balls these are in total. Jamie, can you give me the ball?
Okay, but I wanted to smack it.
These are all the balls that I got. I don't know. Jamie, don't do that.
That was to get viewers.
Get over here. Sit. I don't know if Jamie can do, but this is what I got. So it's actually 4 packs. 3, 6, 8, 16, 26. I don't know. 36. About 40 balls.
Yep.
More wrapping paper.
Yep. We have some wrapping paper, and I like that one more than that one. That one look like Christmas stuff.
Yeah, these are for your gifts, and these are for ours. Hello, young man. Listen, I'm gonna put on a shirt all long enough. Don't come over here so shirtless.
And always, we have these things, so I don't know the name, but they are cool.
Next thing I got is this. Well, let's do Christmas decorations first.
Yeah.
So we'll get some more balls here.
Yeah, and we also got one pack of them.
Oh yeah, more balls.
Yeah, and we also have this doing white.
Wait, Jamie, let me do the unboxing. Right? Come over. Come, we can go around here. Go behind.
And we have this one Christmas time.
Jamie, come out of the bag now, man, and give me the things and let me unbox. I will do the unboxing.
I want to do some more.
I'm gonna give you some to do, alright? Come
do,
around here. Come to the bucket. You're blocking the light.
am I gonna do this one?
Soon. So I also got lights.
Yep. These are pretty good. And mommy and my
some LED lights, warm lights.
Yeah,
2 packs.
Yep, and mommy and now it's my turn to pick some out. Well,
You have to go behind me. You have to go behind me. You cannot be in front of me and blocking the camera.
And we also have some of this. What can I?
Come behind.
We have some of this. I'm gonna do unboxing with this.
Bird of a summer.
And we also have this one.
I got a star. So you can hand them to me. Pass it to me. So that's a gold star for the
And we also have
tree topper.
And we also have some food that I want to eat as well. This is cool.
You cannot eat this.
Right? Whatever, but this is one thing you want to do.
That's all I needed to do. Thank you. This is not for this unboxing. So Jamie get upset and gone. You know business. I'm
not upset when I do this.
Jamie, come no man and stop being a sour sport. I got this set of, what is this called? Mistletoe. Oh yes. I'm gonna put this up at the door jam, guys.
Oh, okay.
You have to sit, my love. Sit. Sit down.
What's that for?
Give this to me. Give this to me. Let me tell you what it is first. I'll take it out and then I'll give it to you. All right? I got these 2 little headband thingies for the boys. So yeah, these are for you.
And I have to smack somebody in the face.
No, that's very naughty.
Well,
I got this for myself.
And I got this. This is cool.
Jamaica, but the glitter go all over the place. I also got these bows.
I think these are.
I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with these. I have a little idea.
Don't do not.
So all the Christmas stuff over here.
I think these are for our hands.
And last but not least, I got enough other things in here.
And this was kind of cool, and we never saw it. And that one pretty cool.
I got these toys for the tree. They actually open up real big. So yeah, I'm gonna open them up and put it up. So I got red and gold in this. And yeah, as you can see, the theme is red, gold, and green. I also got these ornaments. It's like some little snow globes with a snow in there. 2 of these are 3. And I also got some reindeers for the tree.
And we also have this one to smack some viewers.
We don't smack people over here.
I smacked you with viewers.
So your job now is to pack up all of these in this bag. So I want you to go behind me.
Me and you and Daddy job.
No, we're gonna want something to do. So me give you something to do. Excuse. I got these.
And mommy took some out the wall.
Okay, I got these 2 stocking stuffers. Young man, move your brief out there, you know. I got these 2 stocking stuffers for the boys. So I'm gonna fill them up with the fun stuff. Right? Jam up with some cutesy things and they can like pick one each day. So yeah, this is all the Christmas decoration that I got. Come, pack them up in the bag, please.
Okay.
Pack them up, pack them up, pack them up. Oh wait, more things. I also got this.
To put on my neck.
Javi thinks it's to go on his neck. No, it's not supposed to go.
Of course it goes.
No, it's not supposed to go on your neck, my love. It's actually a garland.
And also,
so you're supposed to decorate the place with it. Jamir, leave that alone. I'm gonna break it.
And also we have this. Oh, I don't want to break in my rubber market. And this.
Also got these.
And this.
It's your reindeer. Okay, so that's it for all the Christmas decorations, guys. I'm so tired.
And sorry for that part. And we did glitch it out.
That's okay. So next thing on my list that I got are
these things who I don't want to break.
I got this pizza board slash charcuterie board. That's what I'm gonna use it for. It's actually a pizza plate slash fruit plate. Javi, please do not walk in front of the camera. So yeah, I got this. I also got this utensils holder for like the kitchen sink and a paper towel holder. Tell me why I went to the kitchen utensils section or the kitchen appliances section and I see some paper towel holders for like 5-6 grand. There was one for $13,000. I don't know. Is it going to ensure that the paper towel is everlasting? Huh? I don't understand these prices. I got some batteries. Where the rest of the batteries, boys? We always need batteries, so I picked those up. I got these 3 jumbo water bottles slash juice bottles. I think they'll come in handy for like juice and stuff, but I bought them because we have a collab coming up tomorrow. Look out for that. The boys are gonna film a juice video, so they have to make 3 different flavors. Also got them this snake and ladder because usually I get them the miniature version and them lose it and mash it up. So I got this big playmat version. It wasn't expensive either. It's like $1,200 or something like that. So we can all play snake and ladders. I loved this game as a kid and I hope they will too, because these boys, if I know video games, they're not interested. Also got this cute little mat. Is this Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? Got this mat for the kitchen. I thought it was cute, so I got it. Also got this little woven basket. So cute. I'll find something to do with it. I don't know what yet, but yeah. The check said that I record no, because Jamie literally just turn off the phone. So this is my second time doing this haul, guys. That's why I'm so drained. My energy levels are, you know. So I also got them these 2 mugs. We already have Christmas themed mugs, they don't, so I decided to pick those up for them. I also got these 2 cups. I got some baking sheets. Hint hint, guess what we'll be doing in the coming videos. Yes, your girl is gonna be trying to bake cookies for the first time. Have I ever baked cookies? I don't think I've ever baked any cookies in my life. I'm not a baker, but I want to be. So this is the start of something. This could be the start of something new. It feels so right. Did I tell you that I got the ribbon that I was looking for all along, but they didn't have any solid colors? Well, they had green. I didn't want green, I wanted the red, but I had to settle for this instead. So I'm gonna see how best this can achieve what I want it to achieve. I don't know. I plan to make some bows with it and probably wrap the door as well. So yeah. Oh, so some other things here around here. So people, me tell you, this is chaos. Juice, popsicle. I want to sleep. That's my problem, you know. So there are popsicle molds that I bought. So when we finish make the juice, we can always pour it in here, stick it in the freezer, and the boys can have their popsicles. What else did I buy? That's about it. Oh yeah, there's a mop in this bag. And guys, let me show y'all the bill. Okay, the 2 little things. 2 little things we used to show now a while ago. 2 little things for 20 grand. Really? Imagine these 2 little things for $22. I don't know. I can't manage in this economy. Come. Pack these things up. Come help me pack up, please. Oh, I got Q-tips as well. Batteries. Just pack them up for me. Alright guys, so that's it for my little mini haul. If you've made it this far into the video, what should they comment down if they made it this far?
Comment Christmas.
Comment Christmas. Javi said to comment Christmas if you made it this far in the vlog, so I'll know that you stayed until the very end. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog to the fullest, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. Both 3. Vlogmas Day 2. See you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.